Hello viewers, this is part 3 of the logarithm. This is part 3 of the logarithm. We are revising the logarithm. Today is 24th of July. We are going to tackle questions on further logarithms part 3. But before we proceed to part 3 questions, we should go back to part 1, number 3e to number 5b as I promised before. Oh, but before that, kindly see some summaries on further logarithm. I hope you have already seen the summaries. I hope you have seen. These are the questions. I hope I have already shown you the summaries. These are some of the questions in which some are tackled and others are not yet tackled. See, these are the questions that we are going to solve. These are the questions that we are going to solve. Okay, we are going to start on question number 3e. Question number 3e states that we already did these questions on our previous videos, so we are in number 3e. Question number 3e says find the log in terms of 2 and 3. Use the value of logs in 3c. So for this case we are going to use the knowledge of common logs, which states that for this case we says we are going to use the knowledge of common logs, which states that log 10 base 10 is equal to 1, while log 100 equal to 2, etc. Therefore we say log 60 can be written as, this can be log of 60 can be written as log of 2 times 3 times 10. Log of 2 times 3 times 10 log 60. That is how it can be written. But we know that addition goes with multiplication while division goes with subtraction. Hence we say log 2, say log 2 plus log 3, log 2 plus log 3 plus log 10 plus log 10, and by dropping the logs substitute the values of 0. Okay, you substitute the values given in the logs in our previous these questions on part 3c. As shown, the values given are these are the values given. Log 2 is 0. So you substitute with those values. So use this expression to substitute with the values. Therefore we say 0.3010 plus 0.4771 plus 1. Now if you add this, you get 1.7781. This is the answer. This is the answer for question number 3. E. We find the log of 60 in terms of 2 and 3. Use the values of logs in C. So you use these values of log 2 is as given. So we are going to question number 3F. Question number 3F states that question number 3F, find log 1.5 in terms of 2 and 3. Use the value. Okay, think of 1.5 in relation to 2 and 3. It's obvious that you need to divide 3 by 2 to get 1.5. Therefore 1.5 is the same as 1 log 1. This is log 1.5 is the same as log 3 over 2, or log 3 over log 2. Since we know that addition goes with multiplication and subtraction goes with division, log 3 minus log 2. That is how it then we substitute with the decimal values given in log. Substitute this with the decimal values given in log, but we remember you drop the logs. Therefore the value of 3, log 3, the values of 3 are given as 0 point, and the values of 2 is given as 0.4. Therefore for this case we say 0.477 1 minus 0.3010. If you subtract this, you are going to get 0.761. This is the answer. For question number 3G, state that find the log of 4.5 in terms of 2 and 3. Use the values as in 3C. Okay, think of 4.5 in relation to 2 and 3 in terms of addition, division, and multiplication. So first, to find the log of 4.5 in terms of 2 and 3, use the values of the log in the as in 3C. Okay, here we say think of 4 and 5 in relation to 2 and 3 in terms of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's try dividing 4.5 by 2. This won't work, but when you multiply by 2, you get 9. But with respect to the values given in the question 2 and 3, 4.5 is the same as 3 times 3 divided by 2. Therefore 4.5 is the same as 3 times 3 into brackets divided by 2. This will further give us log of 3 times 3 to brackets divided by 2. So this one is in the log, or we can say log of 3 times 3 into brackets divided by log of 2. But we know that addition goes with multiplication while division goes with subtraction. Therefore, we are going to say that log 3 plus log 3 minus log 2 by substituting the logs with the values given in decimal in terms of 2 and 3 and dropping the logs, we say 0.4771 plus 0.4771 minus 0.3010. This further gives us 1 point. If you add and subtract, you get 1.2552 as the answer. Okay, we are going to question number 3H. Question number 3H states that find the log of 0.2 in terms of 2 and 3. Use the values of log as in 3C. So these are the values of log in 3C. They are given. So we are in number 3H. So for this we say, since there is no way we are going to get 0.2 from 2 and 3 by either division, subtraction, addition, or multiplication, we use the common logs. Hence say 0.2 is the same as 2 over 10. Therefore log of 2 over 10 or log of 2 over log of 10. But we know that addition goes with multiplication and division goes with subtraction. Hence, this will be equal to log minus log of 2 minus log of 10 by substituting the logs with the decimal values given in respect to 2 and 3, and by dropping the logs we get here, we are going to get that log of 2 is the same as 0.3010, while log of 10 is given as 1. Therefore 0.3010 minus 1 is the same as 0. This is negative 0.6990. Okay, this could be the answer. This is the answer. Now, according to the logarithm, the mantissa cannot be negative. This is the answer, but according to logarithm, we can see this is negative 0.6990. Since we are in a logarithm, now according to logarithms, the mantissa cannot be negative. This value is called mantissa, cannot be negative. Hence, for this case, our characteristics is 0 and mantissa is negative 0. Our characteristic This is called characteristic is 0, and our mantissa is 0. Here our mantissa is 0.6990. Therefore, we should borrow 1 from the characteristic to the mantissa hence, or in short, when you come across this situation, you write bar 1.1 plus brackets the value gotten, e.g. for example, we write bar 1.1 plus brackets then negative 0.699 into brackets. This will further give us, our answer as bar 1.3010. This is the answer for the question. This is the answer for question number 3H. This is bar 1.3010 for question. Now for question number 3E. For question number 3E. For question number 3E. Question number 3E. Find the log of 0.6 in terms of 2 and 3. Use the values of log as in C. Okay. Now 0.6 is 0.6 in relation to 2 and 3 is 2 times 3 divided by 10. Therefore, the log of 2 times 3 over 10 can be written as, log of 2 plus log 3 minus log 10, since multiplication goes with addition and subtraction goes with division. And then by substituting the logs in 2 and 3 with the decimal equivalent, not forgetting that log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. Hence 0.3010 plus 0.4771 minus 1. This will give us negative 0.2219. Now, since our mantissa cannot be negative, we say bar 1.1 plus negative decimal gotten as answer. Therefore, this will give us bar 1.1 plus brackets negative 0.2219 into brackets. This will further give us bar 1.0.7781. Ignore the 0 between the 2 points, hence our answer will be bar 1.7781. This is the final answer. Remember to contact me on Facebook. As you can see, you can directly DM me in Facebook or follow me in YouTube. Okay, I think I have. You can either contact me in Telegram or WhatsApp via my number. Begin +254. That is question number 3. We are done with question part, question number 3. Now we are going to question number 4. Question number 4 states that solve the logarithm question using log a power b base x rule, showing the extent in which the rule can be used. Okay, so question number 4.1. Question number 4, Roman 1. This is log 8. Log 8. Okay, this I think log 8 can be. This is a solution. Log 8. The log a power p base x rule states that the log a base x power p rule states that this states that log a power p base x is the same as b log a base x. Note that this rule has nothing to worry me, and so this rule has nothing to worry me, and you saw, so long as we know that addition, multiplication, so long as we know that multiplication goes with addition while division goes with subtraction, this can only give us the knowledge that log 8 can as well be written as log 2 power 3, which can be further written as 3 log 2. Now I think I have finalized that. For part B, log 8 divided by log 2. For the case of log 8 divided by log 2, this is equivalent to log 8 can further be written as log 8 can further be written as log of 2 power 3, while the log of 2 remains log 2. Therefore, for our case, if log 2 and log 2 cancels, we are going to remain with 3, and 3 is our answer for this case. For part 3, log 12 minus log 3 divided by log 2. Okay, you say solution. Log 12 can be written as the log of 4 times 3. Log 12 can be written as log 4 times 3 minus log 3, all here there is brackets, all divided by log log 2. But we know that multiplication goes with addition and division goes with subtraction, and by dropping the logs we are going to see it. This will be 4 times 3 into brackets, divide by 3 into bracket, this is bigger brackets, all minus 2. This is 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, and this is the answer for part. If we go to part number Roman part 4, Roman number 4, we say log of 343 minus log of 125 divided by log of 7 over 5. This say solution. First ask yourself, how can 343 and 125 be written in terms of 7 over 5? Then you write 343 and 125 as, this can be written as 343 over 125 is equal to 7 over 5. Okay. Hence, let us try to find which power shall 7 over 5 give us. Let us find which power shall 7 over 5 give us. 343 divided by 125. Let us try 7 over 5. Let us try 7 over 5, which is 7 over 5, which give us 7 squared over 5 squared, which is the same as 49 over 25, which further give us 7 power 3 over 5 power 3, which this will give us 343 all over 125. Therefore log of 7 power 3 over log of 5 power 3 all divided by log of 7 over 5. But remember, addition goes with multiplication while subtraction goes with division, and by dropping the logs we say that 7 power 3 over 5 power 3 minus 7 over 5, but 7 power 3 over 5 power 3, due to the similar powers, it can be as well written as, this can be as well written as 7 over 3 into brackets power 3. Therefore we say 7 power 3, 7 over 5 power 3, 7 over 5 power 3 minus 7 over 5. And since the bases are similar, we are going to drop them. Hence our answer will be, since these bases are similar, we are going to drop them, and our answer will remain to be 3. Our power here, our answer will remain to be 3. Our power, since the bases are the same. Note that whenever you see example, for example, whenever you see, for example, log x power 5 divided by log y, know that there is a relationship between x and y. For example, log 8 divided by log 2, which is equivalent to log 2 power 3 over log 2. This, we are going to use the power rule. This will be 3 into brackets log 2 over log 2. Hence, if logs cancels, we are going to remain with 3. According to the laws of logarithm, but according to my knowledge of arithmetics, we can say log 2 power 3 divided by log 2 can be as well solved as, since division goes with subtraction and multiplication goes with addition, and by dropping the logs, we say because of the, say 2 minus 2 is 0, hence we are going to remain with 3, the power, and we can see that 3 is the answer by all means. 3 becomes the answer by all means. So we are going to question number 5a. So we are in question number 5a. Question number 5a states that find x. I think this is, in this type of question, you can either use the indices rule or the logarithm rule. Hence, I am going to use the logarithm rule. Hence, let 2 power x be p. Let 2 power x be p. Therefore 2 power 2x plus 3 into brackets 2 power x, 2 power 2x plus 3 into bracket 2 power x into brackets minus 4 is equal to 0. Hence p squared plus 3p minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, p squared plus 4p minus p minus 4 is equal to 0. We factor out p because it is common. Therefore, p into brackets p plus 4 minus 1. Oh, there's brackets here. P to brackets p plus 4 into brackets minus 1 into brackets p plus 4 into brackets is equal to 0. We choose one bracket of p plus 4. Now if we choose any, can you choose this? Therefore we say p minus this p minus 1 to brackets p plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore for this question say we are going to say that p minus 1 is equal to 0 or p plus 4 is equal to 0. P is equal to 1 or p is equal to negative 4. According to if you cross 1 to the other side of the and you cross p4 other side, say that p is equal to 1 or p is equal to negative 4. We have seen that p is positive 1, but our initial statement we have said that p to be 2 power x. Therefore now by converting the indices to logarithm, we say log 2 power x is equals to log 1. Therefore by using power rule, by applying the power rule here, say x log 2 is equal to log 1. Okay, by dividing both sides to get x, this x here, you have to divide both sides by log 2. By dividing this side by log 2 and this side by log 2, we are going to arrive x is the same as log 1 over log 2. Since addition goes with multiplication and subtraction with division, we are going to say that this will x is the same as 1 minus 2, which is the same as negative 1. Since there is no negative log, hence our final answer is 0. Since there is no negative log, hence our final answer is 0. Since there is no our final answer, please you can check the answer by substituting 0 to the initial equation. You can check the answer by substituting 0 to this equation. You can check the answer by substituting 0 to the equation. Can check the answer by substituting 0 to the equation. Now we are going to question number. I think we are going to question number 5b. Question number 5b states without using mathematical table or calculator, you can solve 5 log base 3 multiplied by the fourth root of 81 plus a half log base 2 times square root of 256. So for this question we are going to say solution. First, the fourth root of 81. Find the fourth root of 81. To achieve this, think of any number in which in which when you multiply itself 4 times you get 81. For this case, let us try 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, or 6. If we try number 1, let us try number 1. This is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1. Try number 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 16. If we try 3, get 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This is 9 times 9. This is 81. Therefore, the fourth root of 81 is 3. Therefore, the fourth root of 81 is 3. The fourth root of 81 is 3. Second, find the square root of 256. We see that the fourth root of 81 is 3. We have seen here. Now we are going to find the square root of 256. For this case, we say 256 we divide by 2. This is 128 by 2, 64 by 2. This is 32 by 2, 16 by 2, 8 by 2, 4 by 2, 2, hence by 2, 1. Therefore, we are going to group the 2. Here we get 2, here we get 2, here we get 2, here we get 2. Here the 2's are 1, 2, 3, 4. There we say the square root of 256 is given by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 16. The square root of 256 is 16. We have not used calculator or the mathematical table. Therefore, we are going to substitute the initial values with the new values we have gotten to the given question. Hence log 5 log 3 base 3 plus a half log 16 base 2. Since the logs have different bases, we first found the logs of each independent. We find the log of each independently first before substituting them. Therefore, log 3 base 3 is equal to 1 because 3 power 1 is 3, and log 16 base 2 is equals to 2 log 16 base 2 is equals to 4 because 2 power 4 is 16. Hence, following the laws of logarithm that states multiplication goes with addition and subtraction goes with division, we say 5 times 1 into brackets times a half times 4. This will give us 5 times 5 times a half times 4. If we divide this will give us 5 times, because this is all multiplication. This gives us 20 times a half. This is 10, and 10 is our answer. 10 is our answer for the question. 10 is our answer for the question. So we are going to question number, I think we are going to question number 11A. We are going to question number 11A. Please, if you make this video, download, share it. Remember to subscribe, click the small bell once, download, share to as many people as you wish. Remember to leave your comment. Note that this is the end of part 1 questions. Part 3 begins from question number 11. So this is part 3 of our video, logarithm, from question number 11. This is part 3. This is part 3 of our question number 11 marks part 3. Now this is part 3 question. Remember to subscribe, then click the small bell once for frequent updates. Remember to subscribe, then click the small bell once for frequent updates, then share to your beloved ones and friends. Share to you. So question number 11 says that without using mathematics table, find the value of x which satisfy the equation. This was a KCSE question, 2005, paper 2, question number 7. Okay, first we are going to see the question. Says as log base 2 into brackets x squared minus 9 is the same as 3 log 2 base 2 times 2 plus 1, 4 marks. Okay, first, to make sure all the coefficients are in logarithm form, hence log 2 into brackets x squared minus 9 is equal to log 2 base 2 power 3 plus brackets 1 is equal to log x base 2. Then we ask ourselves what could be. This is because the equation is not in base, it's not in base 10. This is because the equation is not in base 10. This is because the equation is not in base 10. Therefore, this equation, you see that the base are in base 2. They are not in base 10. Therefore, we are going to proceed as log base 2 brackets x squared minus 9 is equal to log 2 power 3 base 2 plus 2 power 1 is equal to x. Therefore, log base 2 into brackets x squared minus 9 is equal to log of 8 base 2. Remember 8 because of 2 power 3 here, plus log 2 base 2. By dropping the logs and following the rules of logarithm, that addition goes with multiplication and subtraction goes with division, x squared minus 9 into brackets is equal to 8 times 2. X squared minus 9 is equal to 16. Hence we say x squared minus 9 minus 16 is equal to 0. Since we have arrived to quadratic equations, we can use any formula or method to solve the equation. If you use, let us use negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. This will give us negative a plus minus the square root of 16 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 16 all over 2 times 1. Note that refer to part 2 video of this topic, question number 5, for the difference in working between log 10, log base 10 and non-base 10 question. Okay, so negative 9 plus minus the square root of 256 minus 64 all divided by 2. Negative 9 plus minus the square root of 1 and 2 all divided by 2. Negative 9 plus minus the square root of 92 is equal to 9.6. Negative 9 plus 9.6 is equal to 0.6 or 3 over 5 or negative 9 or negative 9 minus 9.6 minus 118 minus 18.6. Therefore 0.6 or 3 over 5 is the answer. For the question. Remember, this was a KCC question, paper 2, number 7, for the year 2005. For the year 2005. We are in question number 11b. This was a KCC question, paper 2, number 12, for the year 1992. States that find the value of y that satisfies 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log y base 2 is equal to log 5 base 2 plus 1. Do not use maths tables. Okay, question number 11b. This is question number 11. First, convert the solution. So first, convert all the coefficients in the logarithm, since 2 and 1 are not in logarithm form and the whole equation is not in base 10. 2 is the same as log x base 2. Therefore, the above is the same as log x base 2, which is the same as 2. But we know that to get x, 2 should be squared. Therefore, 2 squared is the same as x, which is in which x is the same as 4 now. Hence log log 4 base 2. Alternatively, 1 is the same as log 2 base x. 1 is the same as log x base 2, in which is the same as log x is equal to 1 base log x base 2 is equal to 1. Now x is the same as 2 power 1, which is the same as 2. Hence log 2 base 2. So therefore, from the initial equation, log 4 base 2 will represent 2 and log 2 base 2 will represent 1. Hence log 4 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log y base 2 is equals to log 5 base 2 plus log 2 base 2. Addition goes with multiplication and subtraction goes with division, and also by dropping the logs in both sides of the equation, we say 4 times 3 times y is the same as 5 times 2. Therefore, 12y is equal to 10. By getting to get our unknown, we have to divide both sides by 12. So y is the same as 5 over 12. Sorry, by 2 6 and by 2 5. Therefore, y is the same as 6 over 5. And this is the answer for the question. This is the answer for the question. So we are in question number 13. Question number 13 states that, note that before going to question number 13, we see question number 11, question number 11b, question number 11b, and question number 11a and question number 11b are non-base 10 log question. Hence, their working steps are slightly different from base 10 log questions. Refer to part 2 of this topic, question number 5, for the difference in working between a log base 10 and a non-base 10 log question. So question number 13. Question number 13 states that given that log 4 is equal to 0.6021 and log 6 is 0.778, without using math table calculator, evaluate log 0.096, evaluate log 0.096, 3 marks. This was the KCC question for the year 2008, paper 1, number 14. You can refer these questions if you have the past papers, please. Can just refer to if you have the questions. I am giving the correct answers. These are the correct answers. Now for this question, say solution. Therefore, log 0.096 is the same as 96 over 1000. Therefore, 96 is the same as 2 times 2 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is 16 times 2. This is 32. Then times 3. Many 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, times 3. Therefore, here we say this can be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is, can put it in the brackets. Then say this, then say 2 times 3. And this will give us 4 times 4 times 6. Hence, this will further give us 96 of 1000, the same as log of 4 squared times 6 over 1000, which is the same as 4 squared plus, this is log 4 squared plus log 6 minus log 1000. This will further give us 2 brackets 0.60021 into brackets plus 0.7782 minus 3. Since addition goes with the multiplication and division goes with subtraction, we remember these values as we have given, they are given here, so we have directly substituted. Hence, say that for this case, say 1.9824 minus 3 minus 1.9824. This will give us negative 2.000 plus 9824. This will give us 2.9824. This is our answer. Alternatively, this can be done as log of 0.96 is equal to log of 4 squared times 6 times 10 power 3, which could give us 2 into brackets 0.6021 plus 3.7782, which is the same as 2.9824 or negative 1.0.76. Sorry, this is not point but 7, and this is the answer. Please subscribe, click the small bell once, download, then share to your friends and relatives. Note that my viewers, try evaluating question number 17. Try evaluating this question. This is the answer, but try evaluating question number 17, which says evaluate giving your answer in form of in 4 significant figures, 2 marks. This was a KCSE 2012 paper 2 number 1. Okay, we are in question number, okay, solve question number 2. This is, I think we already did this question, already done this question 2 in, so this we already did this question our previous video. So we are going to question number, I think we are going to question number 7. Question number, remember to contact me in Facebook or YouTube. You can view my YouTube channel or my Facebook account. You can just directly DM me. So question number 7 states that find the value of x that satisfy the equation log x plus 5 is equal to log 4 minus log x plus 2, 3 marks. This was the KCSE question for paper 2 number 6, the year 1999. So find the value of x. Here we say the question is log of x plus 5 is equals to log 4 minus log of x plus 2. Note that with the sign, the equal sign means division. Collect like terms from the whole equation. Second, addition goes with multiplication, while division goes with subtraction. Therefore say log x plus 5 plus log x minus 2 is equal to log 4. But note that the coefficients in brackets will change sign cause it has crossed the equal sign. Hence log into brackets x plus 5 x minus 2 is equal to log 4. By dropping the logs in both sides, say x plus 5 into brackets x minus 2 into brackets is equal to 4. Expand. Now by expanding this, say that by expanding x plus 5 into brackets and x minus 2 to brackets all equal to 4, this will give us x plus 5 to brackets x minus 2. This will further give us x plus 5 to brackets x. If put a line here, say minus 2 into brackets x plus 5, this will further give us x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 10. This would further give us x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 4. Then we say that x squared plus 3x minus 10 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then we say x squared plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. By using the quadratic formula for the equation, negative p plus minus the square root of p squared minus 4ac all over 2a, we say you're going to say negative 3 plus minus the square root of 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6 all divided by 2 times 1 minus 3 plus minus the square root of 9 minus 24 all over, this is 2. This will give us negative 3 plus minus bracket 3 minus 4.89 negative 3 plus minus bracket negative 2. This will further give us negative 3 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 5, or negative 3 minus negative 2 is equal to negative 1. Ignore negative 5 since it's less than negative 1. Ignore negative 5 since it's less than negative 1. Hence, our answer is negative 1. Our answer is negative 1. So we are in question number 6. We are in question number 6. Question number 6 states that solve for x in log x base 3 squared minus a half log x base 3 is equal to 3 over 2 format. This was the KCSE 1999 paper 2 number 6. Okay. For this question we say that solution, solve for x, okay, for a substitutional equation. To weaken the equation, this is because for a substitutional equation, to weaken the equation, this is because let t be, to weaken the equation, so we substitute for this question. We say let log x be t. Let log x be t. Let log x be t. Therefore, here we say let log x be t. Therefore, t squared minus minus a half t is equal to 3 over 2. T squared minus a half t minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0. The least common multiple of 2 and 2 is 2. Therefore, t squared minus a half t minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0. T squared minus a half t minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0 here over 1. Therefore, say 2t squared minus t minus 3 all over 2 is equals to 0. 2t squared minus t minus 3 all over 2 is equal to 0 over 1. By cross multiplying the equation, 2t squared minus t minus 3 is equal to 0 times 2 times 0. This will give us 2t squared minus t minus 3 is equal to 0. Our product is -6 and our sum is -1. Factors are -3 and 2. Therefore 2t squared minus 3t plus 2t minus 3 is equals to 0. 2t squared minus 5t minus 3 is equal to 0. T to brackets, because we factor out t here, t to brackets 2t minus 5 to brackets t minus 1 is equal to 0. Remember, for a substitutional equation, to weaken the equation, this is because log is squared. See that our log is squared. Remember, log here is squared. That's why we have said let log x base 3 be t. That's why we have said this. Therefore, as we continue here, we say t plus 5 is equal to 0, 2t minus 5 is equal to 0, and t minus 1 is equal to 0, and t is equal to 1. T is equal to -5, 2t is equal to 5. T is equal to 5 over 2, or 2.5 or 3. Now, log x base 3 is equal to t. Therefore t is equal to therefore t is equal to 1:3 or 1/3. This is our answer. Note that solved differently, since it's not in base 10. All made familiar question are in G search. Please search more directly by typing the question to get answer. Subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe, like, and share. So we are in the last question. This is question number 1, and this is the last question. Remember, you can follow me in by directly messaging me my Facebook account, as you can see, or in YouTube. So the question is, without using tables, solve for x in the log 11 divided by 2 plus 2 log 4/11 minus log 5/22 is equal to 2 log 4 minus log x 3 marks. This was case C, 1992, paper 2, number 10. Okay, so question number 1. Say solution. Now for this question, say that log 11/2 plus log 4/11 minus log 5/22 is equal to 2 log 4 minus log x. This can be written as log 11/2 plus log 4/11 squared minus log 5/2 is equal to log 4 squared minus log x, 4 squared, because we have applied the power rule. This will give us log 11/2 plus log 4/11 minus log 5/22 minus log 4 squared minus, this is equal to log x. This will further give us log 11/2 plus log 4/11 minus log 5/22 minus 16. This is log 16 is equal to log x Note that division goes with subtraction while multiplication goes with addition. Therefore log 11 over 2 divided by 5 over 22, or into brackets, times log 4 over 11, this is squared, and this must be in the bigger brackets. This must be in the bigger brackets. Then here we're going to divide by log 16, which is equal to log x. By using board mass here, we say log 11 over 2 times 22 over 5. Here these are in brackets, times log into brackets 4 over 11 into brackets squared into brackets squared. This will give us, if we multiply what is in the brackets, will give us 121 over 5. Remember, this is under log, times 4 squared is 16 over 11 squared is 121. Therefore, we have used single logs because it is allowed. Please don't cross cancel the above to avoid fraction answers. Do not cross cancel this to avoid fractional answers. Therefore, we say, if by dropping the log, we say 121 times 16 all over 5 times 121. This one will give us 1936 all over 6 or 5, which gives us our final answer as 3. Note that log 4 squared is equal to 16. It changes to negative 16 after crossing the equal sign. According to the laws of logarithms, subtraction goes with division, while multiplication goes with hence log 3.2. According to laws of logarithm, subtraction goes with the division, hence log 3.2. As you can see, this is 3.2. Now, this is not the answer. Sorry, this is not the answer. Now, say log 3.2 divided by log 16 is equal to log x. By dropping the logs in both sides, say this is 3.2, say by dropping the logs on both sides, say 16 divided by 3.2 is equal to x. Therefore, 16 divided by 3.2, we get 5 point. Therefore, we are not interested with the decimals. Therefore, say x is 5. We consider x to be 5 as our answer. Please subscribe, click the small bell once for frequent updates. Download the share to your friends and relatives. Feel free to submit your homework for help via WhatsApp number 0770482210. Begin +254. Begin +254 if you are outside our country, or you can directly message me on Facebook or contact me in my YouTube channel. Thank you for your time.